severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 3 miles northeast of McAlmont, or...
All right, let's go in depth now on the severe weather and the tornado threat. Jim Cantori's live at the Storm Prediction Center.